related to weapon training. The first question, the types of firing position carried out in NCC. There are three main positions or firing position carried out in NCC, that are the lying position, the kneeling position and the standing position. The types of firing position carried out in NCC are the lying position, kneeling position and the standing position. Second question, the three cardinal principles of firing or the essentials or characteristics of good firer. The three cardinal principles of firing or the essentials or characteristics of a good firer. That is HAT. This is the short form for HAT. That means H stands for holding, A stands for aiming and T stands for trigger operation. Good holding of the weapon, good aiming of the target and proper operation of the bullet. That means HAT, good holding, proper aiming and good trigger operation. The three cardinal principles of firing or the characteristics of a good firer is holding, aiming and trigger operation. Next, what is trajectory? The parabolic path traced by the bullet during its flight is called as trajectory. What is trajectory? The parabolic path traced by the bullet during its flight is called as trajectory. Next, what is MPI or define MPI? MPI means mean point of impact. It is termed as the mean point of impact. MPI means the mean point of impact. Next, what is first catch? The point where the bullet hits the target is called as first catch. What is first catch? The point where the bullet hits the target is termed as first catch. Next, what is first graze? The point where the bullet hits the ground passing through the target is termed as first graze. First graze means it's a point where the bullet hits the ground passing through the target. Next, what is SMC? SMC means stun machine carbine. SMC means stun machine carbine. Question may come as, dear, explain SMC. What we typed? Stem machine carbine. SMC means stem machine carbine. MIP means mean point of impact. First graze means the point where the bullet hits the ground after passing through the target. First catch means the point where the bullet hits the target. Trajectory means the parabolic path traced by the bullet during its flight. Three cardinal principles of firing: holding, aiming and trigger operation. Firing positions carried out in NCC: kneeling position, lying position and standing position. The eighth question, what is line of sight or define line of sight? It's an imaginary line formed between eye of the firer and point of aim through the sight. Line of sight is an imaginary line formed between the eye of the firer, the person who fires, and the point of his aim through the sight. It's an imaginary line formed between eye of the firer and the point of aim through the sight is called as the line of sight. Next, question number 9. What are the 5 parts of LMG? LMG means light machine gun. LMG means light machine gun. So what are the 5 parts of LMG? First, piston group, barrel group, butt group, body group and bipod group. These are the 5 parts of LMG. Piston group, barrel group, butt group, body group and bipod group are the 5 parts of LMG. Next, the 10th question, expand CQB. Close quarter battle. Question, what are the materials used for cleaning .22 rifle? The materials used for cleaning .22 rifle are pull-through, wire gauge, oil, fennel for cleaning and for oiling. Pull-through, wire gauge, that is 2.5 inches into 1.5 inches, and the oil and the fennel for cleaning, that is 4 inch into 2 inches, that is 4 inch into 2 inches, and for oiling it is 4 inch into 1.5 inches. Pull-through, wire gauge, oil, fennel for cleaning and for oiling are the materials used for cleaning .22 rifle. The 15th question, the dash hand is the master hand of the firer. Always, the right hand is the master hand for a firer. The right hand is the master hand for a calculating MPI. The methods used for calculating MPI. MPI means we have already know that it is mean point of impact. Mean point of impact is called as MPI. PI means it's the area or it's an area covered by a group. It's an area, it's a point of area. The central point of area covered by a group is called as MPI. The different methods used for calculating MPI are graphical method, calculation method, axis departure method. There are main three methods used for calculating MPI. They are graphical method, calculation method and axis departure method. Next, the 12th question. The innermost circle of the target is called as magpie. Please pay attention to this question. The innermost circle of the target, we know that this is a target. The innermost circle of the target is called as magpie. This circle is called as magpie. Next, the 13th question. The basic weapon used by NCC cadets for firing is .22 rifle. The basic weapon used by NCC cadets for firing is .22 rifle.